Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to build a navigation menu in Webflow 2026. So at first guys, you will need to open the Webflow designer, and to do that you will need to go with webflow.com website and make sure that you're already logged in with your account, and then just locate the project that you want to work on and click it just to be redirected to the Webflow designer. So now you will need to go ahead and click on the add panel or add elements, the option that's located on the left side bar. And then just go ahead and scroll down inside it and locate the nav bar. Okay, so that's one. Okay, it's on the advanced section, and all you need to do now is to drag the navbar into your header section. Okay, so the Webflow automatically adds a logo, placeholder, menu links, and a menu button for mobile, as you can see. So then you can actually customize the navbar structure. So you can add a brand like your logo image, nav menu like some group of links, and nav link, each individual page link. Okay, so you can select the navbar and then just go with the settings on that panel. Okay, and then just go ahead here and click on add a link, and right there you can add links to each like page URL section, etc., and repeat for all menu items. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.